talked to easily 100 people, sent 200 resume. And then one day, and that's always the way it happens, I get a call from an email from someone, and the person says, "Hey, I got your resume from so-and-so." At that time, the person was the head of real estate at Warburg Pincus. Warburg Pincus, large buyout shop.
Yeah, I know Warburg.
The guy was retiring from Warburg, or thought he was going to retire, decided to set up his own PE shop. And he said, "Listen, I thought I was going to retire. I got your resume 6 months ago. I decided to raise a fund and start up on my own. I have $100 million. And I just need a guy to help me do this. It's just me and the secretary, and I need another guy. You're a CPA, you're MBA NYU, I'm MBA NYU, you went to Lehman Brothers. I know you can do the job, build models, whatever. So are you interested?" And I told him, of course, but you have to know something. Like, I know nothing about real estate. I mean, besides the fact that I bought my own place, I own my apartment in Hoboken, New Jersey.
Yeah.
I didn't specialize in real estate. And he said, like, "Listen, don't worry. I teach you the industry, like, on the ground, that's not an issue. Like, as long as I know you have the basics in finance and accounting and so forth, I can teach you the job." And
amazing.
I jumped. Yeah. And I jumped on my
was there a pay cut with that jump? Because I know back with Lehman, the base is probably like close to 100,000 or 120 even back then.
I think my basis was 130 or 120.
130, yeah,
the
around
bonus
there. And the bonus can be a lot more.
Yeah, it was at that time. It was probably like 200.
Yeah.
So yes, you take a pay cut to go into private equity, but I had negotiated, some points on the carry of the first fund. So if we do well, I'm actually going to do much better.
Can you tell me how you did the calculation on that? I mean, it's $100 million fund, so you do the math, right?